Dear viewers, I am Sohail Mahmoud Arafat. I am the IELTS instructor of International Language House, which is located at Mohammadpur. So today, guys, I will spend some time on IELTS pronunciation. Like today, I'm going to talk about 10 words that are very common in IELTS listening tests, and quite often we make mistakes on those words. So one by one, I'm gonna talk about those words, like how these words are actually pronounced. So number one, I would say uh, fuel. All right, quite often, well, you can see on the screen that in Bangladesh, I think a lot of people, they pronounce that word fuel, but in fact, this word is not fuel, it is called fuel. Fuel. All right, fuel. And I will also give you the link, the Google link, how actually the word is pronounced, because I'm not the native, maybe I'm very closer. So please try to pronounce it in a proper way. All right, so number one, fuel. Number two in the list is student. All right, quite often we say that student. All right, it's not even student, it's student. It's student. It's a bit you, so it should, that reflection should be there as well. Student. Now three, I would say, like we live in Bangladesh, and this is our homeland, and we love our country. So we say that we love our country. অনেক সময় we pronounce like it is K. Alright, so like country, অনেকটা K এর মতো করে, like it's country, country. Alright, so what I want to say, in the IELTS test, if you pronounce few words like the natives, it would be better to get a higher band score in the IELTS test. So country, country. Alright, so after country, the next word is very common. We say that garden. Alright, garden. বাগান আর কি, আমরা প্রায়শই বলি garden, garden. In fact, it's not garden, it's garden. It's garden, garden. Alright, so in the IELTS listening test, when you listen garden, so you may think like that maybe they have said something else, because we are prepared to hear garden. কিন্তু যখনই আমরা এই গার্ডেনটা না শুনে garden এটা শুনি, তখন it seems like we have heard something else. So আমরা চেষ্টা করব, we will try to listen the way the natives pronounce those particular words. So after garden, the next word in the list is castle. Castle, castle. Well, এই ওয়ার্ডটা আসলে the Americans also pronounce a bit differently. They say castle. So Americans go for castle, but the British people go for castle. So in the IELTS test, if it is a British pronunciation or if it is a British accent, so you will come across castle. So you need to understand that castle or castle is the same thing. All right, so castle. So it's important to know. After castle, the next is horse. Horse. আমরা কিভাবে বলি, ছোটবেলায় আমিও তো পড়েছি, like horse, ঘোড়া, horse. So it's not even horse, it's horse, horse, horse. So এইভাবে আপনারা সেকেন্ড টাইম থার্ড টাইম শুনবেন, অন গুগলে আপনারা শুনতে পারেন, শুনে আপনারা প্র্যাকটিস করবেন 2, 3, 4, 5 টাইমস. অলরাইট, কারণ আমাদের মাসেলগুলো যাতে অ্যাডজাস্টেড হয়ে যায়. অলরাইট, উইথ দ্য ওয়ার্ড. হর্সের পর আছে হচ্ছে, আমি বলবো হস্টেল. হস্টেল, হস্টেল. আমরা কি বলি, হোস্টেল. হোস্টেল, তুমি কোথায় থাকো, হোস্টেলে থাকি. Alright, so it's very common, but in the IELTS test, alright, you will come across hostel, hostel. Alright, and then very common, once again, vegetable, vegetable, vegetable. Alright, I'm in the house, so you may it's very normal that there would be some sort of distraction in the house. So I'm in my house, so it's a vegetable. vegetable. অনেকে আমরা বলি vegetable. No, it's vegetable. Vegetable. Alright. After that, the next word is curiosity. 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 মানে কৌতূহলী। আমরা অনেক সময় বলি curiosity. Alright, it's curiosity. Alright, curiosity. Last but not the least, it's parking. Alright, এই যে গাড়ির আমরা বলি না পার্কিং, পার্কিং। ইন বাংলাদেশ কোয়াইট অফেন আমাদের যে যে আরটা ভেরি স্ট্রং, এটা এত স্ট্রং উচ্চারণ হবে না। ইটস পার্কিং, পার্কিং, পার্কিং। Alright, so these are the 10 words today I discussed with you guys, and I will once again come with 10 more words inshallah in future, maybe in my next videos. Alright, so those words would be very common, but we pronounce it differently, or the pronunciation, the way we pronounce it is not correct. So once again I will meet you guys. Thank you for today. Alright, please be safe. Thank you.